is the low voltage U-Technology Sensor Series door sensor. It fits in a 5/16 inch or 8mm hole with a minimum hole depth of a ½ inch. This allows room for the wires in the back. These are designed to work with all U-Technology low voltage products to a maximum of 36 watts with a 12 volt system and 72 watts with a 24 volt system. Once a light or a series of lights are wired to the sensor, it can turn them on and off depending on if the object is in front of the sensor's detection area. Detection distance is 2 inches in front of the sensor. For a spec sheet with information about this product, visit our website.